Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can screenshot in Windows. So there's two methods I'm going to show you. The first one is a very basic method. If you press Windows, the Windows key, and then PRT, scan on your keyboard like this, you can see my screen went black for a little bit there, right? That means I have taken a screenshot. Now, that's a full page screenshot. And if you need a really quick, fast screenshot with no modification, that is the way to go. So Windows PRT scan, you can see you can just take a screenshot there. You can spam it as well. So like this, right? If you want to take multiple screenshots. But if you want something more refined and more controlled, you can do something called the Windows snipping tool, right? So the way we can activate that is by tapping on Windows Shift S. Now you can see when I tap on Windows Shift S, a UI like this appear, right? And you can see you want to make sure that you pick this snip option here. Now the thing we can do now is, for example, I want to take a screenshot of Proton VPN here. I just drag and drop just like that. And that's it. I've taken the screenshot of Proton VPN. Let's do that again. Windows Shift S, and this time I want to take a screenshot of my game, Sekiro, right? Just drag and drop like this, and then there you go. I've taken a screenshot. Last one, let's do a really big one. So even if I want to do a full plate screenshot like this, I want to. If I want to only have my screen, I can. But if I want to do full page, just like that, it's as easy as that. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.